So we just did this area here, which is offshoot of the main road here. After you cross through the gate, we came in here and pushed back into the hill. We had to kind of cut this down here, and drops off on the edge there, but we made it out a little ways and then graveled this in. And this is where the other container will go. So we'll drop another 20-foot container here, which will be more like things for storing things that are fuel based, like the generators and, you know, things that stink up the other container because they got gasoline in them. Also being able to put the Jeep in there during the off season to keep it all out of the snow and nastiness during the winter. So anyways, that's got to get ordered. Should be here soon. We'll do a video of that when we get it, and then we'll put it out there and let you guys check it out. Headed down to unlock the gate so we can let the delivery folks in that have the new storage container. So this is our second container we're putting it in a little different spot, more near the entrance. We dug a spur out to the side of the road and had it rocked and leveled and packed, and we're going to set it right in there. So hopefully there's enough room for them to unload it. We'll see. They need 60 feet and it's about that, so I'm guessing they round up a little bit. Container just dropped off. She's turning the truck around at the landing up there by the building, so easier to get out that way. Anyways, here it is in its little spur. Nice, because it's kind of tucked off back to the side here, out of the way. Got space in front of it if we need to park vehicle or anything. And then I'm gonna eventually build out a little bit more on this side, probably be able to put the trailer there when we're not using it, the flatbed. So we'll see, but hooray. Come on, this way, Bear Road. Come on, other road. Good dog. I didn't see nothing. Head down Bear Road here. We got 3 cameras on this road, so we'll grab the images out of those, and then we'll head down to the landing and check on the live camera. Such a nice area. We need to come in and clear out these trees and chop them up for some firewood for this coming winter. Here's one of the cameras. Oh, on. Whoop. Amazing how well that little one gets around up here. Plowing through everything. Briars, doesn't matter. Finds her way. And we're about a third of the way down the length of this road. There's a huge trail here. Been there for longer than we have, and so I've always had cameras here. A lot of good stuff. Bears and cougars and the coyotes are often caught by these 3 cameras, and the other 2 are here. Here's the trail, as you can see. Goes up there and heads back down that way. And the elk traverse this road. You know, they just stay on the road for the most part, or up on the sides of it. So these 2 are here facing different directions. Grab these. All right, let's head over to the lower landing, and see if we can check that Reolink live camera. Nope, cabin. Sadie, back to the cabin. Come on. Well, down here at the landing where the elk usually are hanging out around here, we usually get a lot of good footage, but I'd put up this new camera from Reolink. It's the KEEN Ranger. It's kind of a game cam, but it's solar powered and LTE. So it's awesome because you be out in the middle of nowhere. As long as it's got sun, it can charge up and take good video. And it's actually PTZ, so you can move it around and stuff remotely. It's worked really good. I've got a lot of good footage from it. However, it's definitely not elk proof. So they ate the whole solar panel off here and you know, pulled all the wires out of it. And then this is the what's left of it. See all the ends chewed off. Pulled it right out of the camera, chewed all the cables up, destroyed the solar panel. It's perfect, you know. Typical elk. So what I'm going to do is actually, maybe I'll see if Reolink will send me a new solar panel. Send this video out and say, hey, you know, it's not elk proof. You should send me a new one. But anyways, I'll replace the solar panel. What I'm going to do is put in this is just a wood post. I'm going to put in an actual like steel pipe, probably a 2-inch or 3-inch pipe. Set it pretty deep so it's solid, or maybe even throw a few inches of concrete in it. But anyways, get that camera up high. So probably get a better view as well, but also get that up out of their range so they're not munching on it like they like to do. We've had them destroy many game cameras. They take the trail cameras and chew the straps off. We've got videos out there of them licking cameras. But anyways, see if we can get that fixed, and then put a new salt lick out. Try to keep one of those out every so often, and they love this area. So all right, we'll see what goes from there. This whole area just smells like a livestock kennel. They're here so much, it just stinks like elk.